Doors are opening right now for Christians who are ready to serve. Not next year, not next month, right now. Whether you are in the UK or halfway across the world, this might be the opportunity you've been praying for. So, if you've ever dreamed of working or volunteering with a purpose, serving God while making a real impact across the world, well, right now, there's a Christian organization called Christ Advocates offering real opportunities in the UK, Canada, USA, and Europe. And yes, you can apply today with or without experience. Stick around because I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including how to apply, where the openings are, and how you can be part of something bigger than yourself. So, if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Peace. On this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you to live and work in the abroad. Okay, so if any of this resonates with you, why not join the community? Subscribe to the family, turn on your bell icon, like this video so that YouTube can promote this video for a wider audience, and also share to family and friends. You never can know who needs this video, and do not forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, Christ Advocate is a faith-based organization dedicated to spreading the gospel and supporting Christian communities around the globe. They run weekly church services, seminars, concerts, and training programs in cities like London, Birmingham, Manchester, Toronto, Amsterdam, Florida, and even Dublin. They are currently looking for passionate Christians like you to serve in volunteered or paid roles depending on your location. This is open to both residents in the UK and international applicants. So whether you are in Nigeria, India, the US, or anywhere else, you can still apply. You can apply as a volunteer, especially if you are outside the UK, or a worker if you are based in the UK or in country. And yes, it is open for both singles and married people. No discrimination here, okay? So you're all welcome to apply. There is a role for nearly every passion and skill set. Here are some examples: lead or backup singer, sound engineer or sound assistant, camera operator or video editor, evangelist or trainee pastor, church admin or volunteer, graphic designer or media coordinator. Whether you are musically gifted or people person, or even a tech savvy, there is a place for you. Let's go through the exact steps by steps to apply. Visit christadvocate.com. I'm dropping the link in my pinned comment and also in my description. Click on the work section. Choose volunteer or work with us. Fill out the online form with your personal info, that's name, your email, your address, your role preference, that's from the list I mentioned before, okay? Your faith background and church involvement, your country of residence, and if you need a visa sponsorship, you have to be open, okay? Any dependents, if you're married, like spouse or kids, your social media handles, yes, they need it, okay? So if you're posting nonsense, I'm sorry, okay, but they need it. So make sure that your social media handles reflect your values, okay? And you upload your CV, Word or PDF, to their email address. I'm dropping this email address in my pinned comment as well. Apply at christadvocate.com. Make a short self-introduction video and upload using the link provided on the site. If you are applying for specialized roles like singer, evangelist, or media, you may need to submit a skills video too. Do you get what I mean? You may need to like sing a song, record yourself, or if you're into media, can do what you know how to do best. Okay, that's like adding something to your CV. Yeah. And to be honest, be confident and let your faith and personality shine through. So, whether you're looking to start your journey in ministry, give back through service, or simply explore new Christian communities through the world, this could be your divine opportunity. Don't let self-doubt or fear stop you. Apply today, and who knows, God might just be opening a door through this organization for your next chapter. If you don't hear back, don't be discouraged. Keep applying, keep growing. Your time will come, because in this journey of relocation, you have to keep trying. Okay? One day, your time will come, okay? So, if this sounds like something you would love to do, go ahead and click the link in the description, also in my pinned comment. Send in your application and take the next step of faith, okay? Like this video so that others can discover it. Comment below if you have questions. Subscribe and turn on notifications more, because other opportunities are coming soon. I love it so much, but God loves it the most. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I'm choosing to do this screen recording because of some amazing people who I love and value so much, my loyal subbies. Honestly, I am really rooting for you all, really. If it's a desire to work or live in abroad, I'll try my best to keep bringing out very viable content that are legit, okay? And as well, not only in the UK, but also other parts of the world, okay? I am really rooting for you guys, so stick around my channel, and God bless you for your constant support, okay? And also ignore any background noise, okay? Because my baby is playing, so in case you hear any background noise, okay? So now let's go to the screen recording. I'll just give you a brief walk through. So when you go to the link via the pinned comment, right, it will take you to this Christ Advocate. This is the interface of Christ Advocate. You come to this place that is three dash, click on it. You are looking for work. I've already explained this before in my video, but I just want to show you guys the screen recording in real time, okay? So when you come to work, you say work or volunteer with us. I don't want to read all of this because I've already summarized this in my video, okay? Because I thought I was not going to do screen recording, but I thought to do it, okay? So this is everything you need to know. So it now said we recommend you start with an unpaid volunteer role. So you have to complete the form. Please complete the form below to apply for a role or to volunteer with Christ Advocate Church. Please note, only shortlisted applicants will be contacted, okay? So you send your CV in Word or PDF file to this email. I'll be dropping this in my description as well, my pinned comment. This is WhatsApp number. You don't have to reach out to the WhatsApp number. Please follow instruction, okay? First name, middle name, last name, or your gender. Choose your option, your email, your phone number, full address, town, city, which country do you live in. Let's see the country that is here. You can say Nigeria is here. So other European countries, carry on, none of that, okay? Specify the country you live in if it was not specifically mentioned above. It's optional. That's if your country is not listed in this part, okay? So add your country, resident, what's your birthday, select your role. This is the role I mentioned before in my video, okay? So come and check them, okay? Are you a Christian? Choose your option. Which of our location are you looking to work or volunteer? Like I told you before, I've already summarized this in my video, okay? So just for you to check wherever you want to volunteer. Are you applying for a paid job or unpaid volunteering role? Choose your option, paid job or volunteer. Like I advise you, go for the volunteer one, because what you need just for you to make you come to the UK or any of your country residents that you choose, okay? What is your primary nationality, citizenship? British, Irish, German, and all of that. Right on national of the passport. Are you currently a member of any church? Choose an option. Are you a core member of this church activity in a role or unit, or ordinary member not active? Choose your option. So this is like the form you fill, okay? I just want to show you guys, okay? So do you require a visa sponsorship in the country you have been selected? If you happen to be selected on this role, so you have to say yes, okay? where you refer to. Let not elongate the video, you can read it for yourself. If yes, were you referred by someone in the UK and all of that? If you're referred, just feed anything you need to know there. Choose an option. So this is basically the form you need to do. Add all your social media profile name and page handle. I've already summarized all of this in my video, okay? Do you have any dependents, whether you need a visa or not, whether they should be joining you on your visa or not, like wife, husband or children? Choose your option, yes or no, okay? If you have dependents, even if you don't need a visa, mention if they are children, wife. So all of this, you need to be honest, okay? Emotional imbalance, all of that, cover note, and everything you need to see. Then you submit the form. Then let's go down. After completing your application using the above form and send CV to our recruitment team through the above email, then if you're required to do the following: make selfie introduction video for your screening. That is what you do. Submit. If you have applied for exceptional skills, yes, you may be required to send additional videos. So if you're a singer, pastor, whatever you're doing, the graphic designer, you have to send examples, okay, like pastoring, exactly as I said, playing music, using the same links or loop this video, okay. Please ensure to make your video short so that it can upload, okay. So if you have applied for roles like graphic designer, you can send your samples to our recruitment email, okay. So you need to put in your best foot forward, okay. Do your best, okay. So Christ Advocate Church work role screening eligibility test videos. To enable us review your eligibility for sonship, disciple training, or to carry out the screening for your role, please make a short selfie of yourself, whether you enter the below. All of that, I don't want to elongate this video. Just come and check it for yourself, and tell you guys know my onions. So you can say, please do not send CV or videos to WhatsApp. Follow instructions so I know your application will not be cancelled, okay. Only emails for CV, and all videos will be uploaded here. That's the link. I'll be dropping in my pinned comment and also in my description. Everything you need to know is here. A musician singing by yourself or the altar or in the studio, etc. A pastor preaching by yourself or on the pulpit. We need to see all of this. A video editor, a work you can edit, evangelist, all of these things. So you need to have all of this. You need to have a demonstration video and everything you need to know. So I really wish you the best of the best of the best, okay? So if you're a Christian, this is your best time to shoot your shot. You can choose any country you want. Like I already listed the names, the countries that this Christian organization is currently recruiting for volunteers, and they're offering visa sponsorship, okay? Work or volunteer with us, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Please like this video, share. Thank you very much, and bye.